There should be 2 bolts that hold this cover down right here. Use a 10mm socket or whatever size that they actually are. Pull those 2 bolts out and then just grab this cover and just pop it up like that. It's just secured on right there. There may be another grommet over here. Yep, there's a grommet right there that fell off. So just pull that up. You can remove this hose. Use a hose clamp pliers. Just slide it down. And just try to wiggle this off. Just like that. There's 2 bolts right here. Use a 10mm socket. Remove those 2 bolts. And we want to remove this intake duct. Use a straight blade screwdriver, loosen up this clamp right here. You can slide that off and then loosen up the clamp over here. And just slide this side off the airbox. And out of your way. Now you can remove this worm clamp or loosen it up. And just slide the old boot off and take this new boot and just slide it on. These sides are different, so if you're struggling to put it on, it might be because you have it flipped around the wrong way. Just snug it down and loosen up the worm clamp on this side. Just wiggle this off. Take the new one, line it up, press it on. You can adjust where the clamps are if it makes it easier. Just snug it down. Slide the air snorkel on. Over the throttle body. And slide this hose on. Use the hose clamp pliers. Move that hose clamp over. And tighten down the worm clamps. Use a straight blade screwdriver. Snug it down. And snug it down over here. Put these bolts in. Tighten them down. Put this cover in place. And if you have the 2 bolts that go there, put those in and tighten them down.